Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to insert a SIM card into iPhone 14 Pro. I am having Indian variant of the iPhone 14 Pro and this variant has the option to insert physical SIM card. So let us explore how to insert or replace the physical SIM card in iPhone 14 Pro. Before we start, we need a SIM ejector tool. You can use the one which comes in the retail box. So open the box. You will find the small packaging. Take out the contents. Here is the SIM ejector tool. Please take it. Otherwise, you can use the SIM ejector tool from another smartphone or use a paper clip. Now, take your iPhone 14 Pro and locate the SIM tray. When you hold the phone like this, it is on the left side and has a small hole. Then, insert the SIM ejector tool into the hole in the SIM tray and firmly push it until the tray pops out. Gently pull the tray out. If you are already using any SIM card, remove it. Now, place the SIM card in the tray. Match the notch in the corner of the SIM card with notch in the tray. It will only fit one way. Hold the SIM tray like this, SIM contacts facing upward and insert it into the iPhone. If you want to use dual SIM on iPhone 14 Pro, you need to use the eSIM. A guide on how to use dual SIM on iPhone is given in the cards. That's it for this video on how to insert a SIM card into iPhone 14 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to the channel.